This Phalaenopsis has soft, floppy leaves, and one leaf is turning yellow and dying. Most people think it needs more water, but that's usually the wrong move. Here's exactly what I did instead, and what the plant looked like after a few weeks will shock you. From what we can see, the orchid shows clear signs of dehydration and stress. The leaves are limp, drooping, and heavily wrinkled. This leathery texture means the plant has lost internal water pressure. There is one yellow leaf at the base. That could be normal aging. The issue is the upper leaves. They are also wilted, which points to a system-wide problem, not just natural leaf loss. In most cases, this comes from reduced root function, not lack of watering. The plant cannot absorb water effectively, even if the pot is wet. Remove the plant from the pot and inspect the root system. The main issue here is root loss caused by compacted, degraded medium. The center of the root ball has turned into a dense mass of old substrate. Airflow is limited. Inner roots have suffocated and failed. Most of them are brown, shriveled, and no longer functional. There are still some aerial roots near the top. These are firm and silvery, which means they are still viable. The problem is deeper in the pot, where the plant should be taking in most of its water. Trim all non-viable roots. Remove anything soft, hollow, or brown. These roots will not recover and can spread rot. Keep only firm roots. They should feel solid and appear white or green. If unsure, apply light pressure. Dead roots collapse easily. Use clean, sharp tools. Make clean cuts. Do not leave partially damaged sections behind. Rinse the root system with a gentle stream of water. This helps remove loose debris and any remaining traces of old medium. Keep the pressure low. Avoid damaging healthy roots. Focus on clearing the root surface, not soaking the plant. Next, fill in a container with used coffee ground, then hot water was added. The plant was not placed in immediately. The mixture was left to cool for 20 to 30 minutes. This step is critical. Direct heat will damage root tissue. Even after cooling, the medium remains dense and holds a large amount of moisture. After 30 minutes, strain the liquid from the container. Separate the coffee solution from the solid grounds. Only the liquid is used. The grounds are discarded. The solution should be at room temperature before use. Then add a small amount of honey, about 1 teaspoon, and dilute it with additional water. Mix until fully dissolved. This is not a standard treatment. Honey adds sugars to the solution, which can encourage microbial growth. It does not replace proper nutrition or root care. This step is part of the trial, not a proven method. Use with caution. Place the plant in the solution for a short soak, about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep the duration controlled. Extended soaking increases moisture exposure and can stress weakened roots. Add 3 vitamin B1 tablets to the remaining solution, then dilute further with water. Mix until fully dissolved. This is not a standard approach. Vitamin B1 is sometimes used to support stress recovery, but results are inconsistent. Combined with a sugar-based solution, it can also increase microbial activity. After 10 minutes, remove the plant from the solution. Handle it carefully. Avoid damaging the remaining healthy roots. Do not rinse again. Let excess liquid drain off before the next step. With the solution fully diluted, place only the lower half of the plant into the liquid for a final soak of up to 10 minutes. Keep the crown and leaves above the solution. Avoid contact with the center of the plant to reduce the risk of crown rot. After 10 minutes, remove the plant from the solution immediately. Let excess liquid drain off, then place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area. Allow the roots to dry before moving to the next step. Do not leave the plant sitting wet. Prolonged moisture at this stage increases the risk of further root damage. Apply a small amount of cinnamon powder to the cut root areas. Use it sparingly. Cinnamon acts as a mild desiccant and can help dry fresh cuts. Do not coat healthy roots or apply near the crown, as it can be too dry. This is a precautionary step, not a cure. Move the plant into a stable growing setup using a pot with strong drainage. Choose a pot size that fits the remaining root mass. Avoid oversized pots, as they retain excess moisture. Fill the pot with coarse pine bark. Use medium to large chunks to maintain airflow. Do not mix in dense materials like peat or fine moss. Keep the structure open. Position the plant so the base sits just above the medium line. Do not bury the crown. Spread the remaining roots naturally into the pot without forcing them down. Add bark gradually while holding the plant in place. Lightly tap the pot to settle the medium. Do not press or compact it. The roots need air gaps to recover. Add a thin layer of moss on top of the bark. Keep it light and loose. This helps retain some surface moisture without reducing airflow through the pot. Do not pack the moss down or mix it deep into the medium. The root zone still needs to dry between waterings. From this point, routine care determines recovery. Keep watering controlled. Water only when the bark is dry and the roots turn silvery. Do not follow a fixed schedule. Adjust based on how fast the medium dries. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sun, especially while the plant is still stressed. Maintain good airflow around the plant. Do not fertilize immediately. Wait until new root tips are active, then start with a diluted feed at low strength. After 5 weeks, the plant is showing clear signs of recovery. The leaves are still slightly soft, but they are more stable and holding their shape better than before. Wrinkling is still present, which is expected at this stage. Full leaf recovery takes time, and damaged tissue will not fully reverse. Root development is the key change. New root tips are visible and active. They appear firm and healthy, which means the plant has resumed water uptake. This is the main indicator that recovery is on track. The older yellow leaf has fully declined. This is a normal response. The plant is redirecting energy toward new growth instead of maintaining damaged tissue. From this point, focus shifts to supporting new growth and maintaining stability. Root development should remain the priority. As new roots extend into the bark, water uptake will improve. This will gradually support better leaf firmness and overall growth. Do not disturb the plant during this phase. Root tips are sensitive and can stall if handled. Watering should stay controlled. Allow the medium to dry between waterings, then water thoroughly. Avoid partial watering. Full saturation followed by proper drying gives the best results. Light can be increased slightly as the plant stabilizes. Keep it in bright, indirect light. If the leaves remain cool to the touch and do not show burn marks, the level is acceptable. Fertilizing can begin once root growth is consistent. Use a diluted orchid fertilizer at low strength. Apply occasionally, not every watering. The goal is support, not rapid growth. That's the full process from root loss to early recovery. Not perfect, but stable and moving in the right direction. That's the outcome you want. If you want to see how this one develops long-term, please consider give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.